Speedgrader is the best part, in my opinion, about Canvas, and it allows you to evaluate individual student assignments and group assignments quickly and easily, and it's got a beautiful annotation toolbar. It's wonderful. So let me show you how you can access Speedgrader. One way you might want to do it is from the grades. So in this example, I've got two assignments, a poster and a paper. And if I hover over the options icon and click, I can go into the Speedgrader. So that's one way you can access the Speedgrader. And what this will do is it'll give you a panel on the left that has the submission and a panel on the right that will allow you to download, view other submissions. Maybe this person had 2 submissions. You can grade the most recent one. And it will allow you to scroll through your students once you have students in your course. And then what you're able to do is give grades and comments. And the comments can be in text form, or it can be an attachment, or it can be a media comment. And that includes recording a video or audio only. So it could just be an audio feedback. And then this is a very neat tool. Let's see if this works. This is a speech recognition. Great job on your paper. So what that does is it's speech to text. So if you were in a hurry, you could use that tool to give your comments. All right, but we haven't even gotten into this toolbar up here. So this is how you can read the paper and then annotate as you go. So let's just go from left to right. If we use this one here, this will add a comment, and you can choose the color of your comment. And then associate a great first paragraph. And then you can move it, and you can trash it if you don't want it. The next one is a highlight text feature. So maybe we could change that to red, highlight a portion of the text, and then associate a comment with it. Choose better word. And then the next one over is a free text annotation, and that will allow you to click anywhere within the paper. Here you can choose your font color, background color, and the size. And then you can add text here. Maybe it's to suggest a different word. So here I'm going to type helps, and then hover over it until you I'm going to click in this blank space. Yes, hover over it until you see that 4 arrow, and you can drag it and drop it. So maybe I'm suggesting helps instead of aids. The next one is a strikethrough. This is great for, striking through passages you don't need or words that you don't need. And then you can choose to add a comment with that or not. Might be self-explanatory. The next one over is a free draw. So you can use that to circle parts and add a comment to go with it. And then we can change it, you can add a line. You could trash it if you don't want it. And then the last tool on the toolbar is this area annotation, and that's where you can select a whole area and then add a comment. And all of the annotations will save, and then once you've applied your grade and your comments and you hit submit, you can go back to your course by clicking on the gradebook icon on the right, and the student will be able to see their score, and they'll also be able to see their comments. So let's just see what that would look like. Let's go to student view. They now have a little icon indicating that they've received a new grade. They'll see their attempt, and then when they click on this tab for comments, they'll see all your comments. And let's go back to attempt 1. Yes, they'll see all your annotations. One more example I'll show you is you can also get to Speedgrader from the assignment. So I also set up a scientific poster assignment. Click on that. Speedgrader will show up on this right hand side over here. So you click on Speedgrader, it opens a new tab. In this example, I had them upload a poster. And if you had associated a rubric with the assignment, you can click on View Rubric and then drag the window over if you are allowed. There we go. And then you can use the rubric and the Speedgrader in tandem to give required elements. The graphics are good, the labels are good, the attractiveness is good, but they miss some grammar. And you can give individual comments on each criterion. Check the grammar in section 3. And grammar is spelled with an AR, not an ER. So you can give feedback on specific criterions, and you can just click and it'll apply the grades. You can still give overall feedback, and then what you want to do is hit save and submit. And that's how you can use Speedgrader with a rubric. And I think that's everything. Let me also show you how you can use Speedgrader on discussions. So here's a graded discussion that I set up called Week 1 Discussion. And all I have to do to get to the Speedgrader is go to this Options button and then click on Speedgrader. And then from here, it looks like there aren't any submissions, but this will look familiar to you. You'll be able to read the posts and the replies, apply a grade, apply a rubric if you want, and then hit submit. And that's everything you need to know about Speedgrader.